Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Now this one is going to be very short, but I just want to show you how you can create a poll on WhatsApp. Okay, just like what you're seeing here, I'm going to show you how to do it. Very simple. Now what is a poll? A poll is just like when you want to find out from people what people think about something and you want people to vote. All right, so you can create a poll so that you can actually give people the option to choose what they want, and based on that you can now make your decision. So I did this on my WhatsApp, so I'm going to quickly show you how to create a poll. So to create a poll, you just come to the group where you want to create a poll. That is a WhatsApp group. So this is a WhatsApp group where I belong, where I am the admin. So you just come here and come to this place that looks like you want to attach a picture, and then you click that. Okay, and then you come here below on the right side below, you see poll. You just click on poll and it's going to give you all this form to fill. So you come here and ask the question you want to ask. When is the best time to do our training? Okay, you want to know people's mind. Okay, kindly pick your options to help us serve you better. Okay, so option 1, you come here and say 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Option 2, you come here and say 7 p.m. Option 3, you say 8 p.m. Alright, and once you're done with this, you just click this arrow that goes to the right. You click it, your poll is already done. So once people see this, they will begin to click, they will begin to make choices by clicking the circle by the left. Okay, and once they do that, you can have something like this. Okay, it helps you to be able to know what people really want. So guys, this is how to create a poll on WhatsApp. I believe you got value from this. If you got value from this, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Awajima Misuto, and I'm going to see you in another video. Enjoy.